How does the y-intercept show a flat fee in linear equations? Imagine you're at a store buying a custom t-shirt. You pay a fixed price just to get the shirt made, plus extra for any special designs. That fixed part is like the y-intercept in a linear equation. It tells us how much you pay upfront, no matter what. When we look at a graph of a linear relationship, the point where the line crosses the y-axis shows this flat fee. In math, the equation for a straight line is written as y equals m times x plus b here. Y is the total cost or value, x is the number of units or usage, m is how much the cost increases for each extra unit, and b is the y-intercept. The y-intercept b is the starting point on the graph when is 0. It shows the initial amount you pay before any additional usage or units are added. Let's say a gym charges a flat fee of $20 to join, plus $10 for each month you stay. The equation would be y equals 10 times x plus 20. The 20 is the y-intercept. It shows that even if you don't use the gym at all, you still pay $20. This is the flat fee. This idea applies to many real-world situations. For example, if you rent a bike and pay a flat fee of $5 plus 50 cents for each mile, the equation is y equals 50 cents times x plus 5. The 5 is the y-intercept, showing the base cost before you ride any miles. The y-intercept is always where the line hits the y-axis, which is when equals 0. It's like the starting point or initial cost in a cost or fee situation. The slope, which is the m in the equation, shows how much the total increases for each unit increase in x, but the y-intercept shows what you pay before any of that change happens. So, in simple terms, the y-intercept is the flat fee or initial amount in a linear relationship. It tells you what you start with before adding any extra units or usage. When you see a graph crossing the y-axis at a certain point, that's the flat fee or fixed starting value. It's a helpful way to understand costs, fees, or any situation where there's a base amount plus additional charges based on usage.